Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to weld a word in Cricut Design Space, cut it out, use your transfer tape to put it on something like this. So if that's something that you're interested in, stay tuned. Here I'm going to show you the supplies I have, my previously made peekaboo glass, I have some transfer tape, some holographic vinyl, my weeding tool, my scraper, some scissors, alcohol, and a little cotton swab to clean my glass off. I also have my handy dandy Cricut Explore Air too. So right here you see I chose a font of my liking and I spelled out my name. So right here I'm just enlarging it. Then I went and I hit that ungroup button. So this is going to allow me to be able to basically attach each letter to each other so they are as if I wrote them in cursive myself. So it's going to put all the letters together and you're going to see me just select each section at a time and move them over to combine them to the previous letter. So that's what I'm doing here. So now that I have that A over, I'm just combining all of it, and then I'm going to hit that weld button. So once it's welded, Cricut is going to print this all together as if it's just one image, which is exactly what we need. So I'm just sizing it down here because I know on my glass I need it to be at least 1 inch in height. So then I went and I created another one because I wanted to show you another way that you can join the letters, and that's by decreasing the letter space. So here you see me, I just keep hitting that bottom button to decrease it, and you can see that the letters are coming closer together. The only problem with this is sometimes some of the other letters get too far over, so they look kind of crunched in there together. So then you still have to end up selecting it, ungrouping it, and then resizing it, well, repositioning the letters so that it has the proper spacing. So this is just another option that you have if you don't want to ungroup it originally and just select all of them and combine them. You can also use that letter spacing to move them all at one time, and you eventually come out with the same result. So I just deleted that other one because I didn't need it, and I'm gonna hit the make it button. So now it's gonna tell me to load my mat. It shows me my preview. I'm not gonna mirror it because I only mirror if I'm using heat transfer vinyl. And it's actually going to send it to my Cricut machine, and I have it on the vinyl plus setting for my holographic vinyl. So right here, you're just gonna see me load my holographic vinyl into my Cricut machine. I've already placed it on my mat. So once I have it in there, I'm gonna hit that arrow. It's going to do its thing and actually cut out my name in one smooth motion because I welded it. So now it's done cutting. I am going to go in and unload my mat. So I'm going to press that button. You can't really see it because it's holographic, but now I am going to move on to the fun part. So I am going in and I'm weeding my name. So I'm just removing all the background, removing any little dots that are inside the little letters. And before I did this, I actually cut the piece down to what I actually needed instead of wasting extra vinyl. So that's why I did need my scissors, so I can cut it down to the size that I actually needed. So I'm going ahead and weeding out everything so that eventually all that's left is my name. So there is the finished name with all my pieces out. I'm taking my transfer tape. I'm gonna lay it right over there. I don't really care about getting it straight because I just don't. I know I'm gonna line it up straight when I put it on my image. So you just see me use my scraper to burnish it. And then I remembered, hey, I need to clean my glass off. So always get some alcohol and clean your surface before you put anything on it. It doesn't matter what it is. Even on my desk, you can't see it, but I put a little sign logo on my desk and I cleaned that off before I put it on there because that's just gonna help it adhere because you know that the surface is clean. So I'm making sure that I get everything off before I add my decal to it. Now I'm going to attempt to lift up my name. I had to go back in and burnish it some more. I even tried burnishing the back, but sometimes the vinyl doesn't want to come up, so you have to kind of help it along, and that's what I did. So now I have it and I'm going to line it up. I like to actually start in the center. I press it down in the center first, and then I work it out from the middle, each side. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just rubbing my finger and then I'm pulling off that transfer tape, and there you have it, this beauty. It is all done. This is my peekaboo glass. I do have a video for that if you want to see how I made it. So yeah, I really love the way it came out, and I hope this video showed you how you can do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.